Paying with Venmo at CVS is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Before you visit a CVS store, you should check with the store or visit the CVS website to confirm if they accept Venmo as a payment method. So, store policies can change, and it's essential to ensure that Venmo is currently supported. You will need to have the Venmo app installed on your mobile device. Ensure that your Venmo account is linked to a funding source like your bank account or a debit card. When you're at the CVS store and ready to make a purchase, proceed by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Now, at checkout, scan the store's QR code. Simply tap on Scan, then show Go Pay. Confirm the total. When prompted to select a payment method, choose Venmo. You might be asked to authenticate the payment within the Venmo app using a PIN or biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID. Once the payment is approved, you will receive a confirmation in the Venmo app, and the transaction will be completed at CVS.